Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Well. We are going to discuss the summary of first chapter from the text First Flight, a letter to God written by G.L. Fuentes. About the author. A Letter to God is a story written by G.L. Fuentes. He was a Mexican poet, novelist, and also a journalist. The story revolves around the idea of having extreme faith in God. Summary of the chapter. Lencho was a dedicated farmer. He was expecting a decent harvest. However, to his grief, a hailstorm came and destroyed his harvest completely. Lencho was very sad. However, he had a strong belief in God. He was certain that God will help him. He was also an extremely straightforward man. Although working for a long time on the farm, he knew writing. Thus, he composed a letter to God. In the letter, he asked God to send him 100 pesos. At that point, he went to the post office and put his letter into the post box. The postman collected the letter from the letter box. He read the address on it and laughed very much. Also, he rushed to the postmaster and demonstrated to him that strange letter. Moreover, the postmaster also laughed in the same way when he saw the address of God. However, on reading the letter, he got very serious. He lauded the man who had unquestioned faith in God and decided to help him in terms of money. He asked the employees of the post office to give him money. Moreover, he gave a part of his salary too. However, they were able to collect only a little more than 50 pesos as requested by Lencho. The postmaster put the money in an envelope. It was addressed to Lencho. On Sunday, Lencho once again came to the post office. He asked if there was any letter for him. The postmaster took out the letter and handed it to Lencho. Lencho was not surprised after seeing the money. But when he counted the money, he became angry. He was sure that God could not have made a mistake. He took paper and ink and wrote one more letter to God. Then he put it into the letter box. After Lencho had left the place, the postmaster and the employees read the letter. In it, Lencho had complained to God that he had received only 70 pesos. Also, he requested God to send him rest of the money this time. However, he asked God not send the money through the mail. He wrote that the post office employees were a bunch of crooks and thus they might have stolen the money. Conclusion. We learned that faith has a power to give us what we want to fulfill our needs. However, one must realize that humanity still prevails. The true faith in God will be rewarded through the charity of other men. Moral of the story. The moral of the story is that extreme faith in God can give you a ray of hope even in the hardest times. Message of the story. The main message imparted through the story is that no matter what situation one is in, they should have complete faith in God. Even if they don't achieve the desired result, One should never lose a faith in God and always believe that all their problems would be solved in due course of time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. I'll be uploading more videos related to line by line explanation of chapters, poems.